Beach day! So today we're going to the beach. We have my friend Morgan, we have my nephew Jordan, and we have Briella! Yay!
Jordan, do I have FBO and I don't have deodorant?
All that traffic, it goes all the way up there. So much traffic. Being behind a truck like that freaks me the hell out. Doesn't that scare you?
No.
It just feels like one of those logs are gonna come right through the window.
Maybe when you put it that way.
Exactly, that's what I was trying to say.
But not now. I'm not thinking about that.
That's all I think about when I'm behind a truck like this.
I gotta go to Charming Charlie to buy a dress for Alyssa's graduation.
Get a white one.
No, she's wearing white.
Oh, true. Get a green one.
Charming Charlie had a cute mint green one, so I might get one.
Yeah. Work with their school colors. Briella, you having a bagel?
Why are people gonna get in that?
You having a bagel?
And
And Jordan, what are you eating?
chippies.
Yummy. And then when we get to the beach, you're gonna have your sandwich, right?
Did you get the Lunchable?
We are so packed in this car. Yeah, he has a Lunchable.
I don't have a lunch.
Why are we surrounded by trucks?
Don't even talk about it.
It freaks me out.
Freaks me out, I'm the one driving. That's where Mike was telling us to go to State Park Beach.
We made it to the beach. Jordan, are you excited? With Briella on me. And this is all of our stuff that we're taking.
Jordan, are you gonna take a picture with me so we can send it to Mama? Yes, you are.
So much stuff. We have Briella's pack and play in there.
You don't want to send Mommy some pictures
An
while she's
umbrella.
working?
And then Briella. Hey. Briella. You can smell the ocean now.
No, I can't.
Oh, Morgan, they closed down the bathrooms over there. I wonder why. We're gonna go take a bathroom break first. And then we're gonna go back down to the beach. Bless you. Okay, Briella's first time touching sand. Ready? Get her face. Get her face. What's that? What's that?
You like it?
What's on your toes?
Briella,
What's that?
you like it?
I think she likes it.
You're not crying.
Oh, look at it. What is her face like?
Briella.
I buried my feet.
You did? You like it? Alright, here you can stop recording.
And this is how you take a baby to the beach. We have our umbrella set up, and then we have her pack and play in the back. And right now she's just enjoying the beach, aren't you? Briella, what do you think? Hey Jordan, do you want to take off your shirt and get ready to go in the ocean?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's gonna hit the spot.
Hi!
Here comes a big wave.
Uh-oh. I don't know how she feels about that.
Come look. Wow. So we just got done with the beach. Did you have fun, Jordan?
Yeah.
And that car keeps on going off, so annoying. But now we are gonna go and walk the boardwalk. There's an arcade that we're gonna go to that Jordan loves to do. So we're gonna go to the arcade, maybe get some ice cream, and then we're gonna head on home.
And then I'm gonna do the basketball game.
Yeah, and you're gonna win.
Yeah, I'm gonna laugh.
Did you have fun time at the beach?
Yeah.
He was so crazy. He went into the water and the water was like 0 degrees. Like it was freezing. My feet like hurt as soon as we got out of that water. My feet were like killing me because it was so cold. And then here's Briella after her hard day. Did you have a good day, baby? She is so tired. She did not take her her nap this morning, so she's doing actually pretty good. How do you think the beach day went?
Perfect success.
And it wasn't too hot, wasn't too cold, so
Other than me losing all my crap.
yeah. Morgan's losing her mind.
I'm basket case.
Yeah, the water was freezing cold, but the weather was nice. They're probably trying to find their cars.
Hey, eagles. Look at lots of eagles. Lined up.
Those are seagulls, Jordan. Seagulls.
Oh, eagles, 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 eagles.
They're different, buddy.
Eagles, eagles.
Look at her skin.
Ow!
Here we are.
Nope, arcade's over here.
They have stuff.
Awesome, Jord. Keep on going, keep on going. So this is all your prizes that you won from the arcade. You got a snake, a little skateboard, a sticky frog, and an orange bouncy ball. You did such a good job. Little Miss Briella, you look like you're gonna pass out. You're tired. All right, let's go get some ice cream. Chocolate soft serve. And then you got chocolate soft serve.